Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to create an AliExpress seller account. Alright, so let's begin with the video. If you're looking to start selling products on one of the world's largest online marketplaces, follow these simple steps. First of all, you have to visit the AliExpress portal. So open your web browser and go to the AliExpress website. Here, click on the Sign In option and a drop-down menu will open up. Inside it, select Seller Login, and you will be redirected to this page. Now, click on Join for free. And on this page, you have to select your company type. You'll be redirected to the registration page. On the registration page, enter your email address and create a password. Check your email inbox for a verification email from AliExpress. Then click on the Register button. Once done, now you will need to fill in your personal information, including your name, phone number, and address. Make sure all the details are accurate. Next, you need to provide information about your business. This includes your business name, type of business, and other relevant details. AliExpress will require you to upload certain documents to verify your business. This typically includes your business license and other identification documents. Read through the AliExpress seller agreements and terms and conditions. Once you have read them, check the box to agree and click on the Submit button. After submitting your information and documents, you will need to wait for AliExpress to review and approve your application. This process can take a few days. Once your account is approved, you can start listing your products on AliExpress. So log into your seller account. Go to the dashboard and click on Add Product to start selling. So that's basically how you can create an AliExpress seller account. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.